Hey, Scott here. If the elastic tie downs on your boat canvas are looking like ours, I found a simple way to get those swapped out. Yes, you can order complete replacements of these Stayput fasteners from Sailrite and other places, but I wanted to give it a try. I had some shot cord already on hand. I'll put a link down in the description to that. Pretty simple project. Just gonna need a flat blade screwdriver and we'll pop this off. So I'm going to gently pry underneath the cap here. I found some of them screw on, these do not. These clamp down, so there's just some ribs in there. You hear that first pop, now it's a little bit loose, it's just a couple more. You can just see that popped out pretty easy. And then here's the base for it. So we're just gonna pull this out of there. Now I measured the best looking of mine and I needed about a 7-inch piece to replace it. So to keep it in, since I don't have this little brass or metal part on the end, you just make a really small knot. And then try to work that to the end of your piece as close as you can get and as small as you can get. And repeat for the other side. If it pulls through, just try it again. So now I'm going to set it back in. I just want to make sure I have the placement of the knot to where the line coming out hits that groove. See, that one went in, the other side. It's just a matter of pushing it back down. And there we go. All right, so for the pull tab, mine were in bad shape and I'm missing most of them. Rather than buy some off Amazon or wherever, I mean, they're not much, but I had this cordage here. It actually has a reflective line in it. So I'm gonna use that. Cut about an 8-inch piece. Then I want to melt the ends so they don't fray. Just a matter of wrapping through and tying a knot at the end. All right, so that should work pretty good. Got something to pull on, got fresh elastic, ready to go. So I hope you found this video helpful.